back again. Another day here in Ayia, Napa. Ran into some car issues earlier, had to clear those up. But now we are heading back to Nissi Beach. This time I brought my GoPro and I'm gonna try my best not to get it wet. And I'm gonna take you guys to this little land bridge that you could walk across and get to another island. And we're gonna walk about 5 minutes now to the beach, and we'll be there pretty soon. And I'm gonna show you what Nissi Beach is like. It's one of the top 10 beaches in the world. By far one of my favorite beaches here in Cyprus. So we're gonna walk there, and then I'll show you how you get to that land bridge and show you all the type of activities and things that you could do while you're there. But yeah guys, cheers. All right, we are approaching Nissi Beach right now. Check this out. So you can even rent a beach buggy or an ATV and just leave it like right there. It's probably the most convenient way to get around here. But I have, we rented a car, so it's not that bad. But here guys, let me show you what Nissi Beach is like.
Get it.
There's a lot of cats in Cyprus. But here's Nissi Beach guys, look at this. See all these people here? This is like Waikiki Beach in a way. Except instead of hearing only English, you hear so many different languages here. Oh my god, the sand is so hot. Alright, we're gonna find a place to sit, and then we're gonna run into the ocean. Alright, Saturday. Alright, Saturday on Nissi Beach, we're gonna show you guys how to get to the land bridge from the ocean. So the water for the next like 20-30 meters is really shallow, so you could just walk across. See, look at this. Mediterranean Ocean. Oh my god. We're gonna go to this land bridge over there. Oh, the water is really shallow, but it's really hot today. And I'm gonna try my best not to get this GoPro wet. But we're gonna go on a quick walking tour all the way to that land bridge. And when we get there, I'll show you guys the view. And then I'm gonna take this camera back into my bag so that I don't get it wet, since I forgot to bring the waterproof, the cover that makes it waterproof.
You're gonna have to soak it in some rice.
Huh?
You're gonna have to soak your GoPro in some rice. It's gonna get wet.
I actually don't know. I don't know if this is waterproof with the media housing. But guys, this is Nissi Beach. This is probably one of the top 10 beaches in the world. And you can see it's totally packed. If you come here, you must visit Nissi Beach. There are other beaches that are way less crowded, but just the atmosphere and the ambiance here is it blows it out the water. Mez and I are right now walking through the shallow end right now. It's shallow up until the end over there. But we're heading to the land bridge, we're almost there. Guys, if you like this beach, leave a like on this video, comment and subscribe. I'm risking my GoPro for y'all. Over there, on the other end, over there, on that end, there's a bunch of bars and like dance, like kind of like beach clubs where you could go for like some day party and stuff. But here's the land bridge right now. See, the land bridge is right here. You walk across this land bridge and the island that's easily walkable, which has an incredible view of the rest of the Mediterranean Ocean. It's about a 5-minute walk from the bottom of the beach. I'm trying my best not to get my camera wet right now. I should have brought my waterproof housing, and then I would have been able to take you guys swimming with me. But nevertheless, we're risking it. We're risking it for the biscuit. We might even mess around and rent a jet ski or something. But look, we're almost here.
Acclimated with this water.
Yep. Once you get acclimated to the water, it's actually really nice. Look how clear this water is. It is super clear here. And we just walked from the beach to this land beach right here. See? Yeah, it turned into a land bridge. And we're gonna walk up this hill to the top of the island. And I'll show you guys one of the best views here in Ayia, Napa, Nissi Beach. You just have to avoid all these rocks, otherwise you'll cut your toe. Let's go this way. Sorry. All right, you're gonna lead the way, Malik. All right, here we go. So guys, you see, you just walk up this, from that land bridge over there, you walk across, and you take this area here, and you go up this land bridge, and then you'll be at this island where there's a pretty nice view. A lot of people take pictures on the rocks, or they do like their honeymoon photos and whatnot. You can do whatever you want. I just think it's a pretty cool view. There's no cliff jumping or anything like that. But here we go. You can see all the way behind me is the beach club, where there's always a DJ, live DJ. And they always be playing slapping music. It's a big bar, and they be spraying like water and things like on you while you're dancing to keep cool. So it's pretty cool. I've been there one time, but with kind of the whole COVID surge and whatnot, I'm not trying to get into really crowded situations, risk getting sick right before I you know, leave this country and then go back to Italy. But guys, everyone's out here enjoying this view. Once I get to the top, I'll show you guys what it's like. All right, come on, keep walking. All right, here we go. Guys, this is the viewpoint on the Ayia Napa land bridge from Nissi Beach. There's a lot of people here, but there's a sign that says no diving. You're not allowed to jump off. I came here 3 years ago, and people actually used to just jump off. They didn't really care. But it's super rocky and super dangerous. If you jump here, you're essentially risking your life. I would say it's... See those rocks right there? Yeah, look at the rocks right here. Super rocky. But look, I'm gonna go to the edge and show you guys what's what. Go to the edge. When you come out here, you gotta be careful not to step on any rocks that are gonna cut your toes. But here we are. You have an incredible view of the Ayia Napa Marina all the way into the distance. We're on the tip of the island.
We're going back here anyway. Yeah.
Check it out. Oh, I almost cut myself again. Here we are at the edge. Step aside. Guys, look at this. Look at that. You see all the people who take out their boats or going parasailing. There's some jet ski. The water looks really choppy today though. So this is a must-see if you come here to Nissi Beach. Just walk across the land bridge, come up here. It takes 5 minutes before you go into the water. It's really nice. Anyway guys, we're gonna head back. Ow! My toes. Lead the way, Mazen.
Yeah. Let's go on that side. What's the verdict on this jet ski?
The jet ski. Should we take a jet ski? If I had brought my waterproof housing and had the clip, I would have taken a jet ski and I would have put the camera right on my head and took you guys on a POV jet ski adventure. But my dumbass, I left the closing to my GoPro back in Jordan. Honestly, I don't know how I forgot to bring it, but nevertheless, I showed you guys what I could without risking my camera, because I do need this for the rest of the month.
You just bring the jet ski, take the one person with the boat,
we could take the boat and the camera would be safe, but I don't know. I need this camera for the rest of the month, guys. But if you enjoyed this little walking tour to the Ayia Napa little island here, via this land bridge, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos here in Cyprus. We got probably another couple days left here. We're gonna go in the water and walk across the water. You guys can see though how amazing it is here. It's so packed. Like, this is probably one of the main attractions here in Cyprus. I'm gonna go on the shallow end. Guys, this is a shallow land bridge right here. I'm not sure if this is man-made or if this is naturally occurring, but 3 years ago when I was here, it was here. I could totally see it being a man-made land bridge so that people could safely transport from one side of the main beach to go to the other side of that island to get the nice picture. It definitely adds some really cool ambiance to this island. Everyone is out here. Families, kids, people on their honeymoons. If you haven't been to Cyprus, I really recommend you guys come here. I've been to a few islands in my life, but I always find myself enjoying the most in this island here. The best way to fly here, there's two major airports you can fly into. I would say Paphos Airport and Larnaca Airport are the two. Larnaca is the bigger airport. So if you're flying in from the United Kingdom, you could fly in from there. We flew in here from the Middle East, so we actually flew into Paphos on Ryanair, which is a budget airline, and you could actually find tickets from the Middle East to Paphos for as low as $15 to about $35 round trip. This time around we actually booked last minute, so we paid a little bit more because it's really high season. However, it is pretty worth it. My brother earlier told me he found a beach near our villa that was like much more calmer and less people. So if that's kind of like the vibe that you're trying to go for, I would definitely go for one of these beaches that have less people. But if you're trying to come here and like party and like see a bunch of people and like do things, this beach, hands down, is the best. As my famous quote say, I could tell you with 100% certainty that Nissi Beach is the place to be. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this walking tour. Make sure to leave a like, make sure to comment, subscribe, leave me comments below, let me know what you guys want to see next, right? If you are from Cyprus and you're watching this video, feel free to tell me or give me some pointers on where to go or what to check out. Until then, be easy,